Nevsky Prospekt, which today connects Palace Square and Alexander Nevsky Square, is the very heart of St. Petersburg, its main thoroughfare, famous all over the world. St. Petersburg. Nevsky Prospekt is one of the most popular and picturesque streets in the city. It stretches for as much as 5 kilometers and is the main artery of St. Petersburg, where many stores, interesting places, theaters, and a special attraction are located. Krasnodar is a beautiful city in Russia, located in the south of the country. It is known for its climate, rich culture, and hospitality of the people. Krasnodar is one of the largest cities in the south of Russia. The capital of the Kuban is located on the right bank of the river of the same name. Krasnodar is one of the most dynamically developing cities in Russia, which is rapidly growing and being built. The unique location near to warm seas, the Caucasus Mountains and the foothills makes the city not only a leader in domestic tourism, but also a popular destination for moving. Yekaterinburg is a city of millions, the capital of the Urals, a major industrial, business, financial, and cultural center. It is among the top 5 most visited cities in Russia. Yekaterinburg is not a resort city. People come here to honor the memory of the executed imperial family, to get acquainted with the old merchant architecture and the history of the Ural exploration. As a tourist cluster, Yekaterinburg is constantly developing, and there are plenty of opportunities for tourists to have an interesting vacation here. This walking tour will give you the opportunity to plunge into the atmosphere of peace and tranquility in the heart of Moscow. Patriarch's ponds seem to be created for walks and leisurely conversations in the shade of trees. Nowadays, Patriarch's Ponds is a prestigious area with luxury apartments with fabulous prices per square meter. Today, both Muscovites and guests of the capital know about the area around the Patriarch's Ponds. There are numerous trendy restaurants here. People come here to walk and take photos. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.